These other sacks were used for tomato. You can see that they actually hold. We have tomatoes right here, and then we can allow them to continue to grow here by applying manure to the sacks, and they continue to grow in this manner. Or if you like, you may remove some of them and transplant into some other new sacks. Then you have a very good farm of tomato. They are about to mature. Very soon they will be producing flowers in order to produce fruit. You can see them. Nice one here. Nice one. Like and share the video. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. I want to see you in my next video. Bye bye. Vegetable seeds, the dry vegetable seeds on top. After that, you cover the dry vegetable seeds with a thin layer of sand and allow it to stand under the rain. If rain is not funny, you will carry out irrigation, preferably manual irrigation, to avoid too much moisture on the seeds. So we have about 100. There is another one here. Okay, other small tiny pieces of seed, vegetable seed, have been put inside these recent sacks. They have been planted. You can see these ones, and those that have germinated also. You can do the same thing for vegetable, pepper, tomato, as we have here. You can see them. In about 2 weeks time, this will be ready for harvesting.